Welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation. And here in this lecture we will discuss about the working mechanism of human heart, or we can say that the double circulation. In our previous lecture we had discussed about the internal structure of human heart, and here is the working mechanism of human heart. How the human heart is going to pump the blood. In human beings, double circulation is present. It means blood passes through heart twice during each circulation before pumping into the body tissues. So here is double circulation is present. This double circulation is divided into two steps, that is systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. So the first one is systemic circulation and the second one is pulmonary circulation. Here is pulmonary circulation. As we know that 4 chambers are present in the heart. 2 chambers are associated with systemic circulation and 2 chambers are associated with pulmonary circulation. The chambers which are associated with systemic circulation are left ventricle and right auricle. Left ventricle and right auricle, and the chambers which are associated with pulmonary circulation are right ventricle and left auricle. Clear? Now we have to draw the diagram. So the simple diagram is there. The heart is divided into 2 equal halves. The right half is dealing with the deoxygenated blood and the left half is dealing with the oxygenated blood. So this is the right half which deals with the deoxygenated blood. So this is the right half. I am drawing it in a simple way so that you can easily understand. Clear? This is right auricle and this is right ventricle. This is the right half of the heart. Secondly, the left half which deals with the oxygenated blood. So here is the left half. The red color which represents the oxygenated blood and the blue color represents the deoxygenated blood. So this is the oxygenated blood. This is left auricle and this is left ventricle. Clear? In pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation, what is going to take place? We know that the systemic circulation involves right ventricle and left ventricle and right auricle. So here is left ventricle and right auricle. From left ventricle, the oxygenated blood goes to the body tissues. So here is the oxygenated blood goes to the body tissues and after that it brings deoxygenated blood from body tissues. The deoxygenated blood comes into the right auricle. Clear? So here is the deoxygenated blood which comes into the right auricle. This circulation is called as systemic circulation. here the two chambers which are going to involve are left ventricle and right auricle. This is called as systemic circulation. From right auricle, this deoxygenated blood goes to the right ventricle, and from right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood goes to the left auricle for oxygenation. So here is the second circulation which completes in this way. This goes to the lungs before reaching to the left auricle. It goes to the lungs. So deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs for oxygenation, and after that the oxygenated blood comes into the right auricle. So here the second circulation is going to be completed. This circulation is called as pulmonary circulation. So here the blood goes in this direction, and this is called as pulmonary circulation. Here in this way, the two types of circulation is getting completed in the heart. Systemic circulation involves left ventricle and right auricle, and pulmonary circulation involves right ventricle and left auricle. क्लियर? एक बार फिर से हम देखेंगे. डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड राइट ऑरिकल से राइट वेंट्रिकल में आ रहा है. राइट वेंट्रिकल से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड जा रहा है लंग्स में. फॉर व्हाट? फॉर ऑक्सीजनेशन. आफ्टर ऑक्सीजनेशन इट कम्स टू द लेफ्ट ऑरिकल. फ्रॉम लेफ्ट ऑरिकल टू लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल, एंड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल टू बॉडी टिश्यूज. बॉडी टिश्यूज से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इट कम्स इनटू द right auricle, and again the same cycle is repeated. This is the double circulation. Now we have to understand the process with the help of a flow chart. So here I am drawing a flow chart. I'm sorry. फ्लो चार्ट हम देख लेते हैं, देन उसके बाद में डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन से हम एकदम अच्छे से डबल सर्कुलेशन को क्लियर देखेंगे. ठीक है? Firstly, the superior and inferior vena cava brings deoxygenated blood. So here is superior and inferior vena cava. These vena cava, ठीक है, डायग्राम से हम देखेंगे कहां पे वेना कावा प्रेजेंट होती है. So both of these vena cava brings deoxygenated blood into the right auricle of heart. From right auricle, this deoxygenated blood goes into the right ventricle. In between right auricle and right ventricle, a valve is there that is called as tricuspid valve, which regulates the blood flow. So there is tricuspid valve is there. This deoxygenated blood from right ventricle goes to the lungs for oxygenation through pulmonary artery. So here this blood goes to the lungs, and which blood vessel carries this deoxygenated blood? That is pulmonary artery, because pulmonary artery is the only one which carries deoxygenated blood, and the rest of the arteries will carry oxygenated blood. After oxygenation in the lungs, this blood goes to the, now the blood becomes oxygenated, and this oxygenated blood goes to the left auricle. So here is left auricle. The blood vessel which brings the blood is pulmonary vein. So here is pulmonary vein. After left auricle, this oxygenated blood goes to the left ventricle. So here is left ventricle, and in between the left auricle and left ventricle, again a valve is there that is called as bicuspid valve, or we can say that mitral valve. After left ventricle, the oxygenated blood goes to the body tissues through aorta. So here is the body tissues, and the oxygenated blood goes into the body tissues through the largest artery. That largest artery is called as aorta, and after body tissues, again the deoxygenated blood goes to the right auricle through superior and inferior vena cava. Clear? So this is the flow chart of double circulation. Clear? Now we have to draw a diagram to showing the complete process of double circulation. Yeah, so here I am drawing a diagram. Very easy and important diagram ना. एग्जाम में डबल सर्कुलेशन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. जब भी डबल सर्कुलेशन का क्वेश्चन आएगा आप ये फ्लो चार्ट लिखेंगे, देन उसके साथ ही डायग्राम भी हम ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द right half of the heart. So this is the right half of heart which deals with the deoxygenated blood. So this is right half, right auricle, right ventricle. Here on the opposite side I am drawing left half. So here is the left half of the heart which deals with the oxygenated blood. This is left auricle, left ventricle. On the upper side both of the lungs are there. So here is the lungs. This is the right lung and here is the left lung. So this is the left lung. Both of these are the lungs. Now the right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from superior and inferior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava which brings deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, and this is the inferior vena cava which brings deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body. So this is superior vena cava and here is the inferior vena cava. Now this deoxygenated blood from right ventricle goes into the right auricle goes into the right ventricle. From right ventricle this blood goes into both of the lungs. So here this blood goes into both of the lungs through pulmonary artery. So this is the artery which is called as pulmonary artery. Now what will happen in the lungs? These are the lungs. In lungs oxygenation is going to take place, and from lungs the oxygenated blood comes into the left auricle. So from this lung pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood, and from this lung also pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood. So both of these are the pulmonary veins. 4 pulmonary veins are there. I am drawing here only the 2. Clear? Now from left auricle the oxygenated blood comes into the left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes into the body tissues through aorta. So from here it goes into the body tissues from aorta. So this is the aorta and the blood reaches to the body tissues. Here the body tissues. Clear? So two types of circulation is getting completed here. One circulation is systemic circulation, in which the blood from right ventricle goes into the lungs for oxygenation, and the second one is systemic circulation, where the blood from left ventricle goes into the body tissues. Clear? So this is all about the double circulation. इस डायग्राम को आप अच्छे से ध्यान रखेंगे, बहुत ही क्लियर डायग्राम है. ब्लू कलर से जो रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है दैट इज द डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, और जो रेड कलर से रिप्रेजेंटेड है दैट इज द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the another important topic of the heart, that may be heartbeat. Thank you very much.